Boiled eggs are something everyone knows, but because they're so familiar, they gradually become bland. Most of us just dip them in salt, let them cool, or eat them to finish the meal. Today is different. I'll show you how to turn boiled eggs into a proper dish, with a distinct aroma, eye-catching color, rich flavor, yet still very easy to make. No frying, no fuss, no advanced cooking skills required, just add the right ingredient at the right time. Let's get started. Step 1. First, place a pot of water on the stove, add 5 eggs, and pour cold water to completely cover the eggs. Turn on the stove and bring to a boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer, avoiding vigorous boiling that could cause the eggs to bump and crack. From this point, time exactly 10 minutes, which is the most important milestone for achieving the perfect egg. If boiled for too short a time, the eggs will be soft, the yolks will not set, and they will easily break and lose their shape when cut. Boiling for exactly 10 minutes ensures the eggs are perfectly cooked, with firm but not dry yolks. They can be neatly halved and will retain their shape when placed on a plate, without cracking or crumbling. After 10 minutes, immediately remove the eggs and place them in a bowl of ice water. Soaking for about 2 minutes to completely stop the cooking process. This step prevents the eggs from overcooking and makes the shells easier to peel. After 2 minutes, remove the eggs from the bowl and gently peel each one. You will find that the shells come off very cleanly, with almost no residue sticking to the whites. Once all the eggs are peeled, use a white string to cut each egg in half. This method ensures a clean cut, without breaking the edges of the egg, and more importantly, makes the next steps easier and more visually appealing. While the eggs are cooling, take the opportunity to prepare the vegetables to save time. Use about 2 bell peppers, wash them, cut them in half, remove the seeds and white core inside, then dice them into small cubes, not too small, so that they retain their slight crispness and bright color when stir-fried. Bell peppers are a type of fruit and vegetable rich in vitamin C and A and antioxidants, which help boost immunity, are good for the eyes, heart, and skin, and are low in calories and high in fiber, thus aiding digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. When purchasing bell peppers, select firm fruits with smooth, glossy skin, even coloring, and green, firm stems. Avoid fruits that are bruised, wrinkled, or have black spots. Opt for thick-fleshed peppers to maintain their crispness and natural sweetness during cooking. When incorporated into dishes, bell peppers add vibrant color, natural sweetness, and reduce greasiness while enhancing crispness and flavor, making meals more appealing and enjoyable. Wash the tomatoes, remove the stems, and slice them into thin rounds or bite-sized pieces. This cutting method helps the tomatoes retain their juiciness and softness when cooked, preventing them from becoming mushy or releasing too much liquid. Pick through the green onions and cilantro, wash them thoroughly, drain them, and chop them finely. This part is used to sprinkle at the end to add fragrance and make the dish look fresher and more appealing. After preparing all the ingredients, set each type aside, ready for the next stir-frying step. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Step 2. Place the pan on the stove over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Wait until the butter has completely melted and begins to smell fragrant. Then add a little olive oil. This combination helps the pan become fragrant and rich, while preventing the butter from burning too quickly. Immediately add all the bell peppers. Stir well for about 1 minute. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon chili powder, stir well and sauté for about 5 minutes. When the peppers are soft to the touch and the aroma is clearly noticeable, spread them evenly across the pan to form an even layer. Next, place each tomato slice on top of the peppers, spreading them evenly around the pan so that the tomatoes are in direct contact with the hot bottom. Place half an egg on top of each tomato slice, making sure the yolk side is facing down onto the tomato. This is a very important detail. Thanks to direct contact with the tomato, the egg is heated slowly and evenly, preventing it from drying out, while absorbing all the moisture and mild aroma from the tomato layer below, making the yolk soft, creamy, and noticeably richer when eaten. Next is the cheese. Use finely grated cheese. Then sprinkle it lightly and evenly over the surface of the egg, without covering it thickly. When heated, the cheese will melt slowly, enveloping the egg and creating a smooth, creamy layer that enhances the flavor and binds the ingredients together into a harmonious whole. Add about 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Finally, sprinkle spring onions and coriander on top to enhance the aroma. Cover the pan, keep the heat low, and leave for about 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, the cheese will melt completely, the eggs will cook evenly from the inside out, and the tomatoes will soften slightly, but still retain their shape. When you open the lid, the dish is simple, refined, and much more flavorful than a regular boiled egg. Opening the lid, you will see hot eggs, soft melted cheese, and the aroma of butter mingling with bell peppers and tomatoes. Take a bite, and the eggs are creamy, not dry at all, with just the right amount of richness, a well-rounded flavor, and a pleasant aroma. This dish is delicious, served with hot rice, bread, or even on its own. And at this point, it's no longer just a simple boiled egg, but a complete savory dish. Simple yet full of flavor. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. First, prepare a bowl of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir until it dissolves completely. Baking soda helps clean dirt, natural wax, and impurities stuck to the tomato skin. A simple but extremely important step if you want to preserve them for a long time. Place the whole tomatoes in the bowl and wash them gently. No need to scrub hard, as tomato skins are very thin, just enough to remove the outer layer. Soak tomatoes for 3 to 5 minutes. I've added subtitles in multiple languages. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment. It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. Rinse with clean water again. After washing, place the tomatoes on a dry towel and pat them gently to remove any remaining water. This is very important. Wet tomatoes are more likely to crack when frozen. Next, prepare thick Ziploc bags. Place each tomato in a bag, arranging them so they don't press too heavily on each other. Now comes the crucial step. Seal the bag, but remember to leave a small opening. Use a straw to suck all the air out of the bag. When the bag is almost flat, seal the opening tightly to create a near vacuum state. This method is very popular in many households because it doesn't require a vacuum sealer, yet it is highly effective. Finally, just place the bag of tomatoes in the freezer. Leaving them whole helps the tomatoes retain their color, juiciness, and natural flavor. When you need them, just take them out, let them thaw for a few minutes, and you can cook soup, make sauce, or prepare delicious stir-fries even after several months. And that's the second method: simple, clean, and extremely convenient. Now for the more interesting part. Once the tomatoes are frozen solid, we can use that frozen state to create a new method. Let's see how it's done. If you find this method interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your loved ones or friends who might be struggling with a boiled egg tomorrow. And now I'd like to ask you, how do you usually eat boiled eggs? Or do you have a simple yet delicious variation? Leave a comment below. I'd love to read and try your ideas.